In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan double-sided on NAPS2. Now, the first thing you want to do is open NAPS2 or NAPS2, and of course, you want to connect your scanner via Profiles and New. If you want to know how to do this, I do have a separate video teaching you step by step, slowly, how to add a scanner, okay? So go watch that first. And then once you've done this, when you do this for the first time, it's going to open up these profile settings. In here, you want to go to paper source, and of course, to be able to scan double-sided, your scanner or printer or whatever device you are using must support two-sided scanning or duplex scanning. So if it does support that, and you know for a fact that it does, you can go and where it says paper source, click on that, and you should be able to find more options over here, and there's going to be like either a duplex or a two-sided or two sides or something like that option. So click on that, hit OK, and then whenever you scan, it's going to automatically scan double-sided. But if that's not the case, and if you want to do it manually, you can just go and leave it on glass or whatever you have, and then hit this scan button. It's going to scan the first page. Then, of course, when you're done, go back to your scanner, open it up, flip over the paper, and then you can go and scan again, and it's going to then scan the first and then the second page, and that's the manual way of doing it. You can also go to these settings and go to advanced and enable this flip back sides of duplex pages to kind of help you with this too, okay? So that's how to scan double-sided. Those are old ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.